For your best tasting oxtail under a minute, add garlic, ginger, pimento seed, your Worcestershire sauce, your oxtail season, your Maggi all-purpose and chicken season along with turmeric, paprika and combine that nicely together. To a Dutch pot with some oil, we're going to add each pieces of oxtail and allow them to brown. We're going to brown each side nicely. Then we're going to move on and we're going to cut our vegetables. I'm using onion, bell peppers, tomato, pepper, scallion, thyme, rosemary. Remove the second batch of oxtail from the pot. Then we're going to go in with our vegetable with some tomato paste and saute that. To the pot, we're going to add some beef stock and some green seasoning along with the oxtail that we browned earlier. Cover it and add it to the oven for 375 for 3 hours. After that 3 hours, we're gonna remove it to the stove top, add our beans and cover, let simmer, and then we should have something looking like this.